Welcome back to Supermassive News, a weekly show where we cover space news from space industry and astronomy. I'm Tony, your host, and this week we'll touch on the billionaire space race. Let's dive in. Last month, Jeff Bezos announced that him and his crew will be launching on a Blue Origin rocket on July 20th. But yesterday, Richard Branson from Virgin Galactic announced that he's launching to space before Jeff Bezos on July 11th. That's next Sunday. I have a link to their announcement video below, which is really cool, or you can check out that tweet. Now, say what you want about billionaires, but they're pretty good at PR. I'm not saying this was only a PR move, but Jeff Bezos also had a good announcement this week. Who remembers Wally Funk? Anyone? Jeff Bezos just invited her to be part of his crew on July 20th. Now, for those of you who don't know who she is, in 1961, she was the top of her class in what was called the Mercury 13 Women in Space program. 1961! But despite completing their training, the program was canceled and none of those 13 women flew in space. Yay, Wally! I will keep you updated on all billionaire space race happenings, but in an upcoming video, I'm going to outline the newly published plan that China has made to go to the moon and Mars. Be sure to subscribe below to hear all updates regarding space, and comment down below what you'd like to learn about. I'd love to make a video just for you. Thanks guys, see you next time.